Hi guys, this is Dushyanth Kumar. Now let's see the working demo of my voice bot. Now let's give the command to run the file. This is the GUI file. I have given the command to run it. Maybe the file is running in the backside. Yeah, this is the pop-up here came. This is the interactive voice bot. Now let's speak with the bot. Hi, tell me about your skills and your core competencies.
Hello. I am Dushyanth Kumar, and I have expertise in programming languages like Python, SQL, HTML, and CSS. My AI/ML skills include NLP, prompt engineering, data cleaning, pre-processing, and working with LLMs and RAGs. Additionally, I am familiar with cloud platforms like Google Cloud Platform, GCP, and Amazon AWS, along with frameworks like React, Bootstrap, and LangChain. If you have any specific questions about my skills or coding projects, feel free to ask.
Yeah, now I had asked about my skills. The bot has responded. Now let's again ask about my projects. Now, could you please give me a brief about the past projects you have worked? Maybe the fintech project?
Certainly. In the FinTech AI Agent System project, I developed an AI system comprising 3 agents: kernel, loan, and insurance. This system utilized Mistral AI's model for query classification. I also built a machine learning model for loan approval and an AI agent for assessing insurance claims. To ensure efficient data retrieval, I employed LanceDB. Overall, this project showcased my proficiency in AI/ML, NLP, and working with diverse agents to enhance financial services.
Yeah, this is all about the working demo of this project. Now let's close this. Yeah, it's complete. This is the working demo of this project. Hope you liked it. I have written all the instructions how to make this project run in your local system in the readme.file. Readme.file, you can once please go through the readme.file before you try to execute this one. Yeah, thank you team, thank you for providing me this opportunity. I have written everything clearly in the readme file. Once go through it please. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, guys, just now we saw the demo in the GUI mode, the Python pop-up mode. Now I had integrated it into the web application kind of thing for user convenience and the pleasant ambience and all. Now let's see the working demo of the web application kind of thing in the front end page. Now for this, let's run the Python main.py file. Yeah, now let's run this file. The file will run. Let's wait for a second here. So here the file is already running on this current given address. Let's open this web address. Yeah, now let's click on this link. This is open, the voice agent is open. This is our voice agent interface. Now let's speak with the voice agent and see how it interacts with us. Hi, tell me about yourself and your work experience.
Hello. I am Dushyanth Kumar, a tech enthusiast with a background in computer science and business systems. I specialize in AI/ML, NLP, and prompt engineering. My experience includes working on AI systems, developing ML models, and dabbling in web development. I am a certified Google Cloud Associate Engineer and a Microsoft Certified Azure AI Engineer. Feel free to explore more about my technical journey on my LinkedIn profile, Dushyanth Kumar, https://www.linkedin.com/in/Dushyanth-Kumar for you. How can I assist you today?
Yeah, I asked tell me about yourself to the bot. It replied as the same manner as how I would reply. Now let's ask some other questions to the voice agent. Hi, now tell me about your past projects that you have worked in the field of AI agents.
Greetings. I have had the opportunity to work on an interesting project called the FinTech AI Agent System. This project involved developing an AI system with three agents: kernel, loan, and insurance. We utilized Mistral AI's model for query classification, built an ML model for loan approval, and created an AI agent for insurance claim assessment. Data retrieval was optimized using LanceDB for efficient processing. It was a rewarding experience to integrate various AI components into a cohesive system to address different aspects of the fintech industry.
Yeah, now I asked the voice agent about my past, one of the good project in my past. Voice agent has responded in a very good manner for this. Now let's ask some generic questions. Yeah, now tell me about your core competencies.
Certainly. My core competencies include expertise in Python programming, NLP, prompt engineering, data cleaning, and model fine-tuning. I am skilled in working with AI/ML models like LLMs and RAGs. Additionally, I have experience with relational databases, knowledge of cloud platforms like Google Cloud and AWS, and proficiency in web development using frameworks like React and Bootstrap. My technical toolkit also includes Git for version control and tools like VS Code for development.
Yeah, now thanks the Home LLC people for giving you this opportunity to introduce about yourself.
Thank you for this opportunity. Hello Home LLC team, I am Dushyanth Kumar. It's a pleasure to introduce myself to you all. Allow me to share my background, skills, and experiences in the field of AI/ML, programming, cloud platforms, and more. If you have any questions or need further details, feel free to ask.
Yeah, this is all about the voice agent interface, guys, that is designed by me, Dushyanth. So, thank you for your time and considering my profile. So now I'll be waiting to for the further communication from your organization. I'll be glad and happy to hear from you. Thank you, guys.